If your GMC Acadia is refusing to start, don't panic. Most of the time, it's one of 5 common issues. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start conditions in SUVs like the Acadia are caused by a failing battery. Before you call a tow truck, let's walk through the diagnostic checklist to identify the culprit. Start with the basics, clean your battery terminals, and ensure your key fob isn't simply out of juice. If you hear a loud single click when you turn the key, your starter motor is likely the problem. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you might not be getting fuel to the cylinders. Simple electrical issues are easy DIY fixes, but fuel pumps and starters usually require a shop. Budgeting is key, as costs can range from a cheap battery to an expensive fuel pump replacement. Use an OBD-I scanner to check for error codes that point directly to the failing component. Keep these basic tools in your Acadia to handle minor starting issues on the road. Remember, checking for a loose cable first can save you hundreds in unnecessary diagnostic fees. Check your battery and relays today and subscribe for more Acadia troubleshooting guides.